Speak a new language, guys. It's not easy. To be honest with you, it's not easy. Because sometimes when I'm trying to explain something, I need to practice, and I'm trying to find the correct word. I'm trying to find what is my message. Yes, what is my message, my intention when I open my mouth and I'm trying to use this language. And maybe in the future, a lot of people criticize my English because maybe I make mistake grammar rules, for example. Maybe certain pronunciation is not the correct. But what is my intention, guys? My intention is maybe you who watch this video, maybe you have the knowledge in your target language, but you feel afraid inside yourself because when you use your language, it's not the same with your mother language because you're trying to explain something, but doesn't appear the correct words. It's understandable. Those situations happen to me. Every single video who I did in this channel is the same. I made mistake, but those mistakes, they don't stop me in continue make videos, because when you have an objective, when you have a goal, you need to follow that goal. You need to keep moving and achieve that goal. I know I have a lot barriers in my way because I don't live in that country. I always imagine if I have the opportunity to live in USA, for example, or to other countries who they speak English, believe me, would be more easy. Because this language, you don't need to understand. You only need to enjoy. When you listen, when you read, when you're writing, when you speak this language, your target language. If you want to learn a new language, it's because inside yourself you love that language. If you're trying to learn a new language because your work pressure you in learn that language, maybe it's for that on the way it's difficult for you get that new language. But you need to learn that language because you love the language. You enjoy use this language. You enjoy create that environment in your target language. But well, expose to yourself and use that new language. It's not easy, guys. It's the same like me. It's not easy. When I have meeting online to other person, sometimes I forget my words. Sometimes I doubt to myself about my knowledge in English. But it's completely normal. You need to embrace those limits in yourself, because when you embrace that, something inside yourself become empathic with you. I don't know, maybe this phrase is not the correct, but you understand me. Inside yourself, something is empathic to you and starting to become more familiar in those situations and those challenge moments. I understand that, guys. Sometimes I'm trying to apply in interesting job, but they reject me because my level is not high. Sometimes it's sad, but I need to continue, guys. I need to continue learning this language because I don't lose my motivation. I don't lose my why. I don't know if would be the one person who is rejected when trying to apply in English job, but maybe I become a winner in that scenario because you don't imagine how many times interesting job reject me. It's crazy, guys. It's beautiful when the people write down on my videos or when I have a meeting online to other person and they say me, hey, your English is good. But in the real moment, when I'm trying to apply in job, they say, no, your English is not good enough. You need to work more. And you have that scenario between doubt, between continue, between stop it to yourself and learn that language, or maybe give you more motivation and keep moving and follow the target language and follow your goal. But well, guys, it's not easy, guys. I don't want to express that stronger men who don't pay attention to opinions, to thoughts about someone else. I am a human. I am a human who have emotions, who have limits. But I know something. Every single entrepreneur, when they trying to running their business in the beginner, is the same. Potential investors reject them because they don't have the experience. They don't have those levels to biggest company need or medium companies need. But there are people who they continue to follow their goals. In learning language, it's the same. I know, guys, if I continue to make videos in this channel in 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, my English become more natural. I know that. Now my scenario is different. If allow to my thought control this moment, my motivation, my intention in this language in give up, never I have that opportunity to see why not I would be able to speak fluent this language like my mother language. I believe if I can, guys. I know and you can, like me. We need to believe in oneself is the only way. Believe and continue to follow. And well, another key word is your why, because when you started to learn that target language is because you had a why. I know my why. And when I have those sad scenarios about my English, I remember my why, and that why don't allow me to give up. This is my message, guys, in this video. I hope it makes sense in yourself. Thank you for watching, guys. Guys, before I stop this video, I want to recommend this video because in this video I speak about when you live a struggling moment in your learning language, you need to follow certain points, certain keywords in your learning language. But you are able to understand me, watch this video. Thank you for watching.